Praise Jesus! It's Princess here. Hope you're doing well. I'm back again with another interesting video. Kama kawaida. Today I want to show you how my typical Friday looks like. And it's usually a day for cleaning. I lazily wake up, I say a short prayer, then I spread my bed, I turn my mattress upside down because that is how I was taught in home science. That's how you take care of a mattress. And then here I get into my closet or whatever, and it looks kind of disarranged, and I have to take care of it and just arrange it. If you're new here, I am Princess. I do hair videos, lifestyle videos, and faith, and I think this one is one of the lifestyle videos. You're so much welcome. You're welcome. Then I take my clothes out of that uppermost cabinet you've seen, where I put my dirty clothes, and I get into the bathroom and wash them. Let me know in the comment section how you wash your clothes. Do you wash manually like me, or you use a washing machine, or you call someone to do it for you manually, or whichever way? Just comment down below and let me know. Washing clothes is one of my favorite house chores because it involves water, and since when I was young, I always loved playing with water. I'm those kind of children where you excuse yourself to go to the washroom. Instead of going to the washroom, you go to the tap, open the tap, and start playing with water. And my nickname then was Butter. That was way in pre-unit, even before you start your grade 1. But you see, that is just how it is. It remained in me till now. I still love water, and washing clothes is one of the opportunities that I get to play with water and use as much as I want, Yeah. So I get it into that bucket that has a handle. Then I go hang it up. If you've watched my apartment tour, you've seen where the location of where I hang my clothes, and yeah. And I usually turn my clothes inside out. Comment down below if you do the same. That is also how I was taught in home science, because, for example, when your cloth falls down, even if it has pegs and there is a storm or it's so windy and it falls down, you won't be able to wash it again. You just wipe it and hang it again, because it is the wrong side that will be interfered with and not with the right side. And that is a tip for you if you never knew. You have seen this place if you've watched that video. Kindly, if you've not watched, that means you're new here. You can check out my previous videos. Just go to my channel, and of course, you're on my channel. Go to my channel and watch all the other videos. And kindly subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any upload from me. After washing clothes, I go into washing the utensils. Thank God today there weren't many. I do that so to avoid the blockage. And my dustbin is an old paper of maybe a rice packet or a sugar packet. I don't just throw them away like that. They need to be thrown away with some benefit after doing something. And that is how my trash is thrown out. I use all the papers. And so as you can see, today I was lucky because my utensils weren't that much. Happy? Yeah. During the week, I'm usually very busy, very lazy in washing utensils, because you come home, you're tired from work, and you usually have some energy to do it anyway. But sometimes you just don't do it. But it seems like this previous week was nice. Was hardworking somehow, because as you can see, the utensils weren't that much. And comment down below if you wash your utensils with hot water. But then there are those people who wash with hot water, by the way. It's a fact. When I was young too, I used to hate washing jug that item that I'm washing because I was kind of silly, if I may say, because I used to feel that it's too big for me to wash. Like, why should I struggle using my hand instead of washing it? Anyway, I changed. Yeah. Improvement. Celebrating milestones. Let me know too in the comment section how you store your Sephora scrubber. Do you store it in water or you just put it there? Does it rust? I know steel wool does rust. And by the way, Kenyans, hello. Hi. You see that orange thingy in the sink? The one that I'm using to wipe the sink are the ones that the shopping bags that replaced paper bags. And it's really nice, by the way. It does a good job. Also in washing utensils also. I'm kinda using it to wipe my spices. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. I wipe my spice bottles because during the week when I'm cooking, I'm usually somehow careless because I'm doing it fast and I just powder everywhere. That's why I need to wipe that cabinet. And that is how things are. Then I get into mopping the house. That is my next activity. And it's actually activity number 5. If you are counting anyway. I do wash my clothes manually, as you can see. As in, not wash my clothes, sorry. Mop the house. Let me know if you use the mop and bucket one, the one that you stand and just mop, you just swipe left and right. I begin with my bedroom, that is I and my sister's bedroom. Then I get into the parlor or the living room or the sitting room, whichever way you call it. I just push everything on one side and start my cleaning. And by the way, those are my sister's shoes. Shh. Anyways, I thought I would stop saying those anyways. How am I going to stop that? I need to look for a word to replace it. Yes, I really enjoy mopping the house, because you're kind of flexible doing it. There are those who don't do this, by the way. They have carpets in their houses and therefore they use vacuum. Or vacuum, is it used on carpets? Me, I usually see like that. I watch here on YouTube, Then I get to the kitchen. Thank God it's kind of small because I did really fast. Importance of a small house, you can easily maintain it. All my cleaning became on Fridays because I excused myself from work that I won't be available on Fridays so I can do my cleaning and so that I can film my videos on Friday. And Saturday so I can rest and do my me stuff too, I scrub my bathroom using some detergent, for example, Omo, Ariel, Toes, all those. You just mix it with water and you scrub. After scrubbing like this, I usually shower. Then I wash the toilet. Then I wash my towel or my kikoi. As you can see, you will see it here. The one I'll use to wrap myself. Comment down below how you call it to where you are. As in Kenya, we call it kikoi, of course. I wash it because it wasn't washed when I was washing my clothes. Yeah, it makes sense. I wash it, then after finishing everything, after drying it outside, after air drying it outside, then I mop the place, the bathroom, so it becomes dry. You can even get in barefooted. Are you one of those people who hate stepping on water? Especially the bathrooms and the toilet when it's wet. I'm one of those people. Comment down below if you're like me, if you relate. I'll write here which toilet, whatever cleaning stuff I'm using. I'll write the name, then I use the air freshener. I'll write the name too on the screen because I think I do not know the real name offhand. Yeah, some good air, air. Then I shower. Showering and grooming is my activity number 6. And that is the Kikoy I'm talking about. I dry myself at the mirror in the bathroom, then it's time for lotioning my body. Or is it buttering your body? It depends on what you use. This is the stuff that makes ladies take 1,000 years while their husbands are waiting for them outside. Yeah, I know. This is my Bible study time. Welcome to my Bible study time. Today I read a verse. After reading a verse, I usually write it down, I meditate, then I start to worship. I will write the verse on the screen. After singing one worship song, I get into my prayer and reflections. After that, I sing one praise song. And my Bible study is basically done because I started with reading the word, meditating upon it, singing, prayer, singing. Then my Bible study is done. Comment down below how you do your Bible study or your me time with Jesus. Is it just prayer? If you're confident in sharing, comment down below. After my prayer time, after my Bible study, if I have some time left, I watch some movies or some series, or I read a book. Then I wait till 6 p.m. because that is the time I break my fast. I usually fast every Friday, and I talked about that on my spiritual update video. Also on my I Hate My Family. Alpha, Omega, you are worthy of my praise today. Alpha, Omega, you are worthy of my praises today. Receive my praise, oh Lord. Receive my praise, oh Lord. Bless Blessings and honor due to you. Receive my praise, oh Lord. Receive our praise, oh Lord. Hallelujah. Receive our praise, oh Lord. Blessings and honor we give unto you. Receive our praise, oh Lord. Receive our praise, oh Lord. Hallelujah. Receive our praise, oh Lord. Blessings and honor we give unto you. Receive our praise, oh Lord. Receive our praise, oh Lord. Hallelujah. Receive our praise, oh Lord. Blessings and honor we give unto you. Receive our praise, oh Lord. Thank you, Jesus. After that, this is the time I plan for my YouTube channel. I write down all my ideas for content and my posting days, and yeah, that. And then I have my gratitude book where I write every day what I thank God for, and that is in that counter book. I do that. I'll talk about that in my next spiritual update video, and that is it. After Bible study, I watch some series or read a book if there is time left, depending on when I started this house chore, when I woke up, because sometimes I'm lazy. Then I cook my dinner at 5:30. I break my fast at 6. I eat my dinner, and after that maybe I watch series afterwards, or read a book, or if I'm tired enough I just sleep, or I do whichever I can do, That is how my day is usually, how my Friday usually is as per now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and follow me on my Instagram, Miss Princess Natural, just the same name I'm using on YouTube. And any other ideas you have for content, you can also suggest in the comment section. And I'll see you in my next video, because what you are yet to see is my madness. Me singing with the bottle of as my mic. A bottle of juice as my mic, Minute Maid. I usually do that because on Fridays I'm usually full of so much joy, especially after my Bible study. But when I become lazy in doing my Bible study, I also become lazy in doing other things, so I become so dull. But thank God, because here is my Bible study. I put my books away and my Bible and wait for the next time. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video. Dancing to no music. Joy. Of our praise, you are worthy of our praise. We give you honor, we give you glory. You are worthy of all praise. You are worthy of all praise. You are worthy of all praise. We give you honor, we give you glory. You are worthy of all praise. You are worthy of all praise. You are worthy of all praise. We give you honor, we give you glory. You are worthy of all praise. You are worthy of all praise. You are worthy of all praise. We give you honor, we give you glory. You are worthy of all praise. Give you honor, we give you glory. You are worthy of all praise. We give you honor, we give you glory. You are worthy of all praise. Self-composed.